Hi, I'm Dora, and I'm Boots. What animal makes that sound? A cow, a cow. Right, a cow goes moo, moo. Boots and I are reading a book about animals and what sounds they make. What animal makes that sound? A rooster, a rooster. A rooster, right. A rooster says, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. Hey, Dora, what sound does the little frog make? That's a special kind of frog, Boots. Listen. Koki! Koki! That's a funny frog.
Yep, it sure was. Yeah. It was good. It certainly was good. Yeah, it certainly was good. That was right. Will help too. Well, that's okay. Now that she's got it. Oh, this will be good. That's where you need help too. Okay, now he's got it. Warming up again. She's getting ready.
Noodle, 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 noodle. Noodle, 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 noodle.
That's funny.
Noodle, 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 noodle.
Well, okay, now she's got it. Warming up again. She's getting ready.
Noodle, noodle, cock-a-doodle-doo. Noodle, noodle. It's a flute. Hey, Dora, what sound does the little frog make?
That's a special kind of frog.
Boots, listen. Koki! Koki! That's a funny frog, Dora.
Yeah, it sure was. This little frog is calling to Koki, just like his song.
Koki! Koki!
Oh! It's coming on you. Oh, I have one. Oh, it's on my head.
Look, it's a little frog. And he has a guitar.
A guitar?
Hey, Dora. He looks just like the picture of the Koki.
Hi, Koki. Hi, you two. I'm so glad to see you. Really glad to see you again.
Hey, Boots.
Huh? What?
I think he is a Koki.
Yeah, mine's too.
Maybe he'll sing for us. Sing, Koki, sing. Koki, Koki.
Oh, the melatonin.
Dora,
Huh? What? What?
I don't think he can sing.
Really? No, I'm fine. Still not recently.
Boots, it says in his book that Koki lives on a beautiful island.
Oh.
If he leaves the island and is away from his family and friends, he gets sick and he can't sing. true?
Mm-hmm.
Koki, Koki.
Oh. Mm.
Don't worry, Koki.
We'll help you get there to take you home and win the race. Oh, that is really good. I have to take you back home. That way he's gonna sing to you. Yeah, sure, okay. Hey, sir, we have to take Koki home and win the big trophy.
So he can sing.
Yeah, okay.
Koki. Come on, let's go.
Hey, come back. Where are you going? Come back. Oh no, he's gone away. Come back here. Come on, come back. Come.
Boots.
Come back.
Yeah, Dora? We need to find out how to get to Koki's island.
Yeah. We'll figure this out. Okay. I don't know how to get to Koki's island. Me neither. It's okay, Koki. But honey, how do we get to Koki's island? That's a great question, all right. Let me think about it. So who do we ask for help when we don't know which way to go?
The map!
Yes, that's right!
The map can tell us how to get Koki home to his island.
That's a great idea. All right, let's go.